Experiencing glitches or slow performance with your Acura MDX infotainment system? Understanding the difference between a reboot and factory reset can help you choose the right solution. Your Acura MDX infotainment system may experience various issues like freezing, unresponsive apps, or connectivity problems. When these occur, a reset can often restore normal operation. There are two main types of resets available. A reboot is a soft reset that restarts the system while keeping your personal settings intact. A factory reset completely erases all data and returns the system to its original state. To perform a reboot, simply press and hold the home button on your dashboard display for several seconds until the system restarts. This process typically takes 30 to 60 seconds and will preserve all your personal settings. Use a reboot for minor issues like glitches or slow performance as your first troubleshooting step. Reserve factory resets for persistent problems, system corruption, or when preparing to sell your vehicle, as this will erase all your personal data. The 2025 Acura MDX features a new Android automotive-based touchscreen system, replacing the previous touchpad interface. While the basic reset principles remain the same, the exact process may vary slightly from older models due to this updated system. Before performing a factory reset, it's crucial to back up any important data. This process will completely erase all personal information, settings, and saved data from your infotainment system. To perform a factory reset on your 2025 Acura MDX, start by ensuring you are logged in under the owner profile. This is essential as only the owner profile has access to system reset functions. Next, navigate to the home page of your infotainment system. Look for the General Settings option, which is typically found in the main menu or settings area. Once in the system settings, scroll down to the bottom of the menu. You'll find the Factory Data Reset option at the very bottom. This placement is intentional to prevent accidental resets. When you select Factory Data Reset, the system will display a confirmation prompt. This warning reminds you that all personal data will be permanently deleted and the process cannot be reversed. Carefully read this warning before confirming. If you're locked out of the system or experiencing update issues, there are alternative reset methods. You can disconnect the car battery's negative terminal for 15 minutes, which will reset the entire electrical system. Another alternative is to pull the fuse related to the audio and head unit system. Consult your owner's manual for the exact fuse location and specifications. However, always check with an Acura dealer before attempting these methods to avoid potential damage. For the safest and most reliable results, always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions or contact an authorized Acura dealer. They can provide model-specific guidance and ensure the reset is performed correctly without risking damage to your vehicle's systems.